Hi, I'm Carlene and welcome to Organizing Decor. I'm glad you tuned in. Thank you for tuning in. Foam board. Inexpensive, versatile, easy to work with, great for any backdrop, weddings, birthday parties, christenings, great wall decor for bedrooms, child's rooms, basement, my basement. Take a look behind me. That's my wall decor that I created in my basement so that I could actually look at the wall. It's quite nice actually. I ended it with beautiful floating shelves, which is what this video is about. So I won't chat you up for much longer, but if you like, subscribe. If you like, thumbs up. And if you do like also, comment. If you don't like, tell me why you don't like it. Maybe I can improve it. Maybe you can help me out. Okay? So thank you. Keep watching and comment. And subscribe. Okay? So I had finished up on this area here, but I extended it a little bit over more. Right? And then same thing on the other side. I didn't finish it. I finished it up to here. Right here, but then I took it over just a little bit further and I finished here. Okay, and I actually had this draping here and I did take it, a piece of it down, and I just left the rest up, but that was there even before I even made this wall decor. Okay, but back to my shelves. Here are my shelves. Bling, bling, bling. Bling, 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 some bling, a little bit of bling, and a whole lot of bling. Okay, so this is the completed wall decor, fit for any kind of backdrop. Well, not any kind, but you can kind of, you can incorporate some of these things into Christmas, such as this one, and even this one, and weddings, such as this one, or even this one, and darn it, why not this one? Okay, and I even added a nice little tassel, which was hanging around my house for a long time, and I decided, you know what, the tassel, the colors kind of go with the decor, the paper decor, so I thought I would just use that to kind of give me a little bit of extra added touch. My favorite, my absolute favorite, is this. I love this little thing right here. This is my other little floating shelf, and my box shelf, floating box shelf, and I wanted to put it down on top of the table, but I did not want to put it there after a while because I figure, you know what, I do so much measuring, and I use a ruler, and I use my T-square, and I thought it would get in the way. So I decided to put it just above the table, not too far, maybe a couple of inches above the table. Okay, and let me see. Yep, so I think I said it before. Oh yeah, another shelf over here, which is not so much bling at all, but a nice little curved shelf here, made of foam board also. Everything is made of foam board. My other video, I said I used upholstery pins or tacks to tack it in. I just shoved it in nice and easy, and I made a little, it flows nicely. The style of how I place my pins is very consistent all the way through the entire scheme, and that, my friends, is it. And I hope, like I said earlier, you like it and comment, and if you don't like it, comment anyway. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. I always say subscribe. I think I always thought it was subscribe until the other day my daughter says, Mom, you've been saying subscribe. It's subscribe. Anyway, that's it. Bam! It's done. Thank you for watching.